are from non-IT background, how we can start this ABAP as a programming language. Nothing to worry about. It is really, if you once you start, you will get to know that it is not that difficult like we have in the mind, that we are going into programming language and all. Nothing like that, and you will get all required support, and I'll let you know what all benefits you will have by joining this course, everything in detail. Okay, now let's start. I'll share my screen. Let me know once it is visible. And
Yeah, it's visible.
okay, so first of all, we will just go through what all things you will learn in this particular period of session going forward in ABAP. These are the listed, these we have listed some topics which are really very important if you want to be a ABAP developer. Then we will go through all your fundamentals, we'll go through all the basic programming. Even though you don't know what is programming, you will get to know everything here, like from starting simple keywords and how to use that in real time. Everything will be covered in the basic programming. And then how to do the operations, how to create a report. Maybe if you have attended the demo session, we just went through a short uh, things what all we have in SAP ABAP. Like we had reports, we had interfaces, we had scripts, forms, like that. So each and every topic will be covered in detail, so that you no need to worry about like if I missed anything from interview perspective. If you missed something, how I can cover this and everything. So this is a syllabus that we have designed so that it will be very helpful to understand more about SAP ABAP. Okay, now what are the benefits you will get once you join this course? Okay, this is our website. If you go to this website and if you see, there are different tabs available. If you see this, we have a different sessions which are going on. If you see the previous batch, this is a A102 batch, and we had 20 participants in that. If we go inside this, so once you join, you will get this particular tab for your session, and you can see at in the left hand side we have a overview. We have assignments. We have assignments divided based on the different topics, like SQL. What is the assignment you have? If you can download it, you can just do your study. You can just give that assignment test, and then you can submit it over here only. If once you download, your next step will be you have to upload that assignment. It is again next different topics like views, reports, these kind of things. Once you complete this, you should understand how much you have gained the knowledge on that. So for that we have again a mock test, right? If you open the mock test, it is really very interactive. Like you can just read the question, you can just answer it, and if you submit it, you will get what is, if it is correct and it is wrong, then based on that you can reanalyze what you have done, and then again you can give the test once again. Then comes, it's a minor project. So if we complete one topic, like for example, data dictionary is one of the topic in the SAP ABAP. Once you complete this topic, then we will give you one mini project kind of thing. It will cover all your subparts which are available within the data dictionary, so that you can download this, you can go through all the question and answers within that, and then you can create a small project, and it will be more satisfaction for you as well. Like, you are just listening to trainer, and then you are not practicing, it will not work, right? So this is a best ever interactive tabs or interactive sessions what I have seen till now. Okay, so here you can see like introduction of this data types, what is data types part 2, and then everything is here. Like, once, one more thing is, after this session you'll get complete recording, so that it is no, you don't need to worry about if you miss anything, if you miss any day, something like that. It is not possible practically. If we think that you're attending all the session, it is not possible. Sometime you might get some emergency or something like that, you'll get everything here. And apart from this, if you miss any session and you're not understanding by seeing the recording, then what you have to do, you have to uh, connect with our mentors. Okay, so we have a concept called as a mentorship here. We have actually three mentors available here. They are already in a call. Guys, if you are here, can you just give a short intro about yourself as well?
Yes,
Yeah, hi,
sure,
good
Vijay.
morning.
Okay,
Yes, continue, Sir.
Mm. Yeah, hi guys, hi everyone. A warm welcome for each and every one of you, and a very good morning. My name is Sadiq. I'm currently working as an ABAP technical consultant in a big firm, and having a good hands-on experience in supporting and implementing all the ABAP objects, which having experience with working in different business sectors like finance, retail, and manufacturing, and the banking. And this is a short and brief introduction. I'm working as a mentor here. So if you have any queries which are related to your, it may be related with your course, or it may be related with your career guidance, and whatever it may be, you can always feel free to reach out to us, and I will be there and available in your WhatsApp group too. So kindly make use of this mentorship program.
great. Thank you, Sadiq.
Yeah,
Kamaksha,
hi,
you
good morning,
want to
all.
go ahead? Or Shrikant, yeah, please.
Yeah, already I know everyone. So I have already interacted with everyone, each and everyone. So always I will be available. Please reach out me if you have any doubts. You think that's it, myself. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Shrikant. Kamaksha, you want to go ahead?
Um, yes, Vijay. Hello,
Yeah.
everyone. Good morning. My good name is Kamakshaya. So I am also working in SAP consultant from last 5 years. So always I help you if you have any doubts. You can feel free to ask anything related all your careers and any course regarding anything. You can ping me to my number and is there any in WhatsApp group also? That's it, Vijay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kamakshay, Shrikant, and Sadik. So, guys, these three will be always available, and even me, I will also be available in the WhatsApp group, so that at any time, if you get any queries, you can just put it in the group, or if you are not comfortable, you can ping separately also to your mentor. They will reach out to you, and they will make sure that your doubts are clarified. Okay, you don't need to think twice that I'm from non-IT background, and if I'm asking a small question, what they will think. Nothing like that. Nobody is going to judge you, because we know how, what exactly struggle we have in initial phase. So no worry. You can all time reach out to any one of us. Okay. How, if you see, like, there is one tracker list that we are maintaining. Okay, Now you might have thoughts like I am from non-IT background. How you will say that I don't I understood this topic clearly or not? We have this tracker sheet which is really very helpful. You can see the names over here. They have added all their topics, like however as and when we complete any topic, they are only adding this topic, and out of 5 how much they have understood from their end. Okay, if you see here the some people added, sorry, she's added 3 over here, meaning what? They We understand that she's not clear with these concepts, and immediately our mentors will connect with them and understand what exactly they are facing issue with this particular topic, and then they will take a session, and then they will clarify, they will make sure that you understood it properly so that it will be easier for you going forward. So you can see Ravi also added all his topics, and then rated himself, then Balakrishna also. Okay, so these guys are from previous batches. Okay, and and one more thing is they also got offer, like multiple offers. I cannot open like everybody's offer, but I would just like to show you that one of the person named Tanvir, who recently joined EY as an ABAP consultant. Okay, he's from a previous batch. So we have multiple examples like that. We have different people who already there are these many benefits that you are getting it once you join this course. Okay. Any doubt till now? Like, do you have any questions? How exactly this JKS works? And if you have any doubt, you can feel free to ask. I just want to add one more thing, that we also have like already defined real-time projects. We worked on those projects, okay, and we have created complete documentation for you guys. If you, I'm already sharing my screen. If I open this real-time project, so these are few examples that we have listed. If you open, for example, any one of these, we have everything available for that particular project to complete that we have right now, but going forward we will add more. We are working on that. Okay, so no need to worry about, like, if you are saying you have a experience, you if you are showing that you already have a ABAP experience, no need to worry. You can directly put these real time projects into your resume. Nobody will doubt about that, because we will go through each and every step what exactly we do in the real time work also. So no need to worry about that. If you are putting a experience, and then also your your confidence will be more. So any question from anyone you can ask. Any doubt, like any small doubt also fine, that is we will clear it out. You have all the rights to ask the questions. Okay, guys, please make use of that. I think no questions. Okay, so now you understood like what exactly syllabus we have and what are the benefits you will get it after joining this course, right? Now about this course, I'll be going forward. I'll be teaching you all the ABAP topics, and the timings will be mostly 8 to 9 morning, and we have the classes from Monday to Friday. So not we don't have a classes on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, and if you it is 1 hour session, but as already I informed that whole day everybody is available to guide you on different topic. If you are going through some practice sessions, then you can connect easily in the WhatsApp group, or uh, anyway, if you want to call something like that, that is also fine. Okay, now let's start about what basics of ABAP. Okay, not we will not go in detail like what exactly those objects and all. We'll just go through the simple things that are really required you to understand to become the ABAP developer. Okay, there are some rules in every programming language. If you have heard of any other programming language like C, C++, and you got